It's Monday morning, and you find out you don't have to go to work till the afternoon. So what are you going to do? Well, how about fly out to Cape Cod and pass through Class Bravo airspace around Logan Airport? Let's go. Hi, this is Tyler from Tyler Flies, and I'm doing the BayState Challenge, where I'm attempting to fly to every airport in Massachusetts in the year 2026. And today we're going to Provincetown. I had an existing flight plan to travel to multiple airports on the Cape, but I simplified it for this day trip. After all, I did have to go back to work in the afternoon. And for the flight out, I forgot to turn on the wing camera. So for the outbound leg, we only have the cockpit camera. Just so it's not too boring, let's listen to some of the ATC audio of my transit through the Bravo.
Boston approach, Warrior 17 November Alpha at 7,400.
17 November Alpha, Boston approach. Any chance I can get you a Bravo clearance for a descent?
That would be great, thank you. I'd like to begin my approach.
7 November Alpha, thanks. You clear the Boston Bravo, present heading down to 6,500 while on the Bravo, please.
6,500 along the Bravo, 17 November Alpha. Alright, let's get down here.
7 November Alpha, descend and maintain 5,500.
5,500, 17 November Alpha.
7 November Alpha, leaving the Boston Bravo, resume own navigation.
Resuming my own navigation outside the Bravo, thank you very much.
Number 17 November Alpha, Boston approach, traffic off your left side is Twin Shasta, descending for the airport, 2,700. Squawk VFR, change to advisory frequency approved.
Traffic in sight, Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, thank you. Provincetown traffic, Warrior 17 November Alpha on the 45 for the right downwind for 25, Provincetown. Provincetown traffic, Warrior 17 November Alpha, turning right base 25, Provincetown. And Provincetown traffic, Warrior
500.
17 November Alpha, short final 25, Provincetown. Wind's coming from that away. That was butter adjacent. I don't know if that was real butter, but...
Provincetown Municipal Airport has a 3,500-foot runway, 0725. Fuels available include 100 low lead and Jet A. There's a $15 landing fee for light aircraft, and Cape Air offers commercial flights hourly May through October. The non-towered airport has the feel of a general aviation airport, but you'll be surprised to see TSA inside the FBO. But don't worry, they're not there for the general aviation pilots. The airport is surrounded by Cape Cod National Seashore and is only 2 miles away from the town of Provincetown. Because of that, there isn't much food at the FBO, just a small place that has some croissants and bagels. Well, if I was going to be able to get to work on time, I needed to be wheels down in Northampton by 11 a.m. I originally wanted to do some extensive flying around the Cape and fly at low altitude to maybe even look for some sharks, but I pretty much had to do one quick flyover and then head home. I saw just enough to whet my appetite, and I can't wait to go back.